10-point crossbows are renowned for their precision engineering and high-performance capabilities. These crossbows feature cutting-edge technology, such as AQU draw cocking systems and specialized limbs for enhanced accuracy and speed. Crafted with durable materials and equipped with adjustable components, they offer versatility for hunters seeking top-tier performance. With innovative designs and exceptional build quality, 10-point crossbows continue to set the standard in the industry, catering to serious hunters demanding superior accuracy and reliability. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 3. 10-point Havoc RS-440 Crossbow is a cutting-edge and high-performance weapon designed for hunters who seek unparalleled power, accuracy, and speed. With its advanced technologies and top-notch craftsmanship, the Havoc RS-440 delivers exceptional performance in the field. This crossbow boasts an incredible speed of up to 440 feet per second, making it one of the fastest crossbows available. Its lightning-fast velocity translates into devastating kinetic energy, ensuring deep penetration and lethal impact on game. The Havoc RS-440 features a reverse-draw design, which shifts the center of gravity closer to the shooter for improved balance and maneuverability. The Vector Quad Cable technology and the S1 trigger system work in tandem to provide a crisp and consistent trigger pull, enhancing accuracy and shot control. The AQU slide cocking and decocking system makes the crossbow easy to cock, while also offering a safe and controlled decocking process. The Havoc RS-440 features a sleek and compact frame constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability in the field. The stock and cheek piece are adjustable, allowing hunters to customize the fit for maximum comfort and shooting efficiency. The crossbow also comes equipped with a noise-dampening system to minimize sound and vibration, aiding in stealthy hunting. With its exceptional speed, accuracy, and advanced features, the 10-point Havoc RS-440 crossbow is a top-tier choice for serious hunters who demand the best performance and reliability from their equipment. Number 2. 10-point Siege RS-410 Crossbow is a state-of-the-art hunting weapon that combines power, precision, and innovation for an exceptional shooting experience. With its impressive speed, compact design, and advanced features, the Siege RS-410 delivers outstanding performance in the field. This crossbow boasts an impressive speed of up to 410 feet per second, providing incredible arrow velocity and kinetic energy for devastating impact on game. The compact and lightweight frame of the Siege RS-410 offers exceptional maneuverability, making it ideal for hunting in tight spaces or during spot and stalk situations. The crossbow features a reverse-draw design, which shifts the center of gravity closer to the shooter for improved balance and reduced recoil. The AQU slide cocking and decocking system makes it effortless to cock and decock the crossbow, ensuring safe and controlled operation. The Siege RS-410 is equipped with 10-point's S1 trigger system, known for its crisp break and smooth pull, resulting in enhanced accuracy and shot control. The crossbow features an adjustable stock and cheek piece, allowing for a customized fit and comfortable shooting experience. The Siege RS-410 also incorporates 10-point's noise-dampening system, reducing vibration and noise for stealthy hunting. The crossbow comes with an illuminated scope for enhanced visibility in low-light conditions, and it features integrated string stoppers to further reduce noise and vibration. With its combination of speed, accuracy, and advanced features, the 10-point Siege RS-410 crossbow is a top-tier choice for hunters who demand exceptional performance and reliability in the field. Number 1. 10-point Vapor RS-470 XERO Crossbow represents the pinnacle of technological innovation and performance in the world of crossbows. With its unrivaled speed, precision, and cutting-edge features, this crossbow sets a new standard for hunting excellence. The Vapor RS-470 XERO boasts an astonishing speed of up to 470 feet per second, making it one of the fastest crossbows available on the market. Its blistering velocity translates into exceptional kinetic energy, ensuring devastating impact and lethal results on game. Equipped with the revolutionary Garmin XERO X1 eye range-finding scope, this crossbow features an integrated laser rangefinder that automatically measures the distance to the target and provides an illuminated aiming point, eliminating the need for manual range estimation and guesswork. The crossbow's ATU slide cocking and decocking system offers effortless and controlled operation, while the S1 trigger provides a crisp and consistent pull for enhanced accuracy and shot control. The Vapor RS470 XERO incorporates a sleek and compact design, featuring a reverse draw configuration that improves balance, reduces noise, and minimizes recoil. The crossbow's stock and cheek piece are adjustable, allowing for a customized fit and optimal shooting comfort. The crossbow is constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability in the field. Additionally, the Vapor RS470 XERO features an integrated noise dampening system, reducing vibration and noise for stealthy hunting.